Hey everyone, welcome to Homes for Beginners, where I show you how to do repairs around the house yourself. In this video I'll be showing you how to clean a sand point well. I do have a video on the removal process, so if you need that, be sure to check it out. The reason for the removal is that I want to determine its condition and if it requires a replacement. Over time, either from usage or not, corrosion and minerals can build up on the sand point's mesh, eventually plugging it. You'll either notice a drop in water supply, or in this case, no water at all. In order to clean a sandpoint's mesh, I purchased a length of ABS 4-inch diameter pipe along with a cap, and I had some ABS glue already at home. Using a gear clamp, I measured the desired length. The pipe should be anywhere from 6 inches to 12 inches longer than the coupler where the sandpoint connects to the main pipe. The gear clamp provides a guide, so you can cut the pipe fairly square with a hacksaw. Using ABS adhesive, glue the cap onto the end of the pipe and then allow it to dry for a few hours. Considering I didn't completely break down the pipe, it does need to be held in place securely when it's being soaked for cleaning. I dug down in the dirt about a foot, placed the cap end in the ground and packed the dirt around the outside, then used a strap to hold it in place. I used water bottles to measure the amount of water being used. This is just regular tap water. You'll need about 1.5 to 2 liters of water. These bottles are 500 milliliters each. Place the pipe in the tube and hold it in place using a strap. You may even consider making a wood frame to securely fasten it down. I didn't add the acid just yet, as I didn't want it to overflow when the pipe was put into place. Next is adding the muriatic acid, which can be found at your local pool supplier. This can burn your skin, damage any clothing, or any other objects. Handle with care and be extremely careful. I am using a respirator mask in a well-ventilated environment with safety glasses, extra clothing, and gloves. I also have the hose close by, so if I do accidentally get acid on myself, I can neutralize it with water to minimize the harm. Add the acid slowly to the water. Do not add water to acid, as it can cause a reaction and this may result in harm to yourself. Slowly dump the acid in the pipe. The ABS will withstand the acid. Another option is using vinegar. However, it may take longer to clean and it may not be as effective as it is a milder form of acid. Soaking items in vinegar is a great way for removing rust. This will need to soak for 24 to 48 hours depending on the severity of the buildup. As a peek after the bubbling has settled down, you can already see the rust on the iron pipe has been removed. After a day of soaking, the pipe was removed. Baking soda can be sprinkled on the pipe to help neutralize the acid, then this can be rinsed off using water afterwards. As you can see, the mesh of the pipe is now clean. Unfortunately, some of the mesh is deteriorated, but hopefully this will be fine for watering the grass. I will likely be running a filter after this to remove any sand which may be present in the water supply. Next, the water can be ran inside the pipe to ensure it's not plugged inside. As you can see, it's now functioning correctly. After, the pipe can be reinstalled and the system can be reconnected again. I did cover the installation procedure in my removal video. Be sure to check that out if you're seeking more information. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home DIY videos. Thank you for watching.